Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Minecraft. Pause and open settings now. Go straight to accessibility. That's where the narrator and related audio features live. You want to be sure which edition you're in because labels can differ between Java and Bedrock. Once in accessibility, scan the list for narration or text-to-speech entries. This step locates the control so you can make the change quickly. Make sure game audio is audible so you can confirm behavior after toggling the option. You'll now change the setting, locate the narrator or text-to-speech toggle, and set it to off. If there are multiple modes, choose off rather than chat or also no speech plays. After switching, exit settings and resume the game to verify that in-game narration stops immediately. If speech persists, double-check any chat or accessibility submenus for secondary toggles. This direct toggle is why you opened accessibility. It's the primary control for voiceover behavior in Minecraft. If narration continues, you may be hearing your OS screen reader instead of Minecraft's narrator. On Windows, turn off the narrator in Ease of Access settings. On Mac OS, toggle voiceover off with CMD plus F5. Once you adjust system settings, restart Minecraft so the game picks up the change. If things still go wrong, log out of your profile or reboot the console/PC. That forces settings to refresh and usually resolves lingering voiceover audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.